So I needed to take out some stuff from my parents' attic because they're moving. And one of the things that I found there is my old Sony PlayStation 1 that I got, I think, in 1998. So, and it was there for 20 years, not in use. I decided to check out if it's working, and I connected it to the electricity and to the TV via the components cable, the yellow for the video, the white one for the audio left, and the red one for the audio right, or the opposite, I don't know, but the white and the red are for the audio, and the yellow one is for the video. It was very dirty inside, but I found my case with CDs of games, and it did turn on and make a display, and the sound was working. Looked like everything is okay, in order. So I searched for my favorite game, or for another game. No, I found it. My favorite game is Demolition Racer. I got a couple of copies of this in case the CD will be destroyed. And also, I think there are several sites that you can download this either from the internet. If it exists today, I'm not sure, but in the past it was possible to do it. The game is loading, no problem. Loading the game is taking some time if you consider today speed, but it was pretty fast for 1998. So here I try to put my name, but the the buttons on the controller are not working, and I also changed to another controller, and it still didn't work. And I know they worked in the past, so it's something that happened during the time in storage. Figure out this might be some kind of contact problem or dirt. So I took some contact spray, sprayed, and I also spray inside the machine. And after that, all the buttons was working okay, and I could write my name. So one issue was solved. After I know it was working, I decided to clean it. I don't know how it got this dirty because it was inside a bag and in a box, but this kind of fluid, I don't know. Really, really dirty inside. I really try to get inside all the tiny cracks and tiny spaces. With cotton, cotton stick and a toothbrush. Some places I used a little bit of soap, not too much. Big electronic device. 2001, I was in Bangkok. I found this store that sells Sony PlayStation games and stuff. I bought these two guns that you can connect the PlayStation, and it worked with some shooting games. and I wanted to test if it's working. Though I remember Time Crisis one of the games. Actually, it was Time Crisis 1. It didn't work on Time Crisis 2, and I wanted to see if this still works. So what you need to do is to disconnect the yellow video signal and to bridge it with the yellow video signal from the gun. And if you aim at the TV with the gun after calibration, it should hit the screen where you aim. So here I'm connecting it. The audio stayed the same, but the video need to go through the gun connector. The machine looks better when it's clean. So when I press the trigger, it looks something is happening, but that it didn't calibrate. So I tried to replace it and connected the other gun. And the other gun had a trigger issue. Cannot press the trigger at all. It was stuck. I think it's something is broken inside. If you want me to make a video about trying to fix it, you can put a comment down below. So I have one gun that the trigger is working, but it doesn't work with the game, and the other gun, the trigger is broken. So I went back to play with my favorite game, Demolition Racer. In this game, what you need to do is drive as fast as you can and also hit as many cars as you can without blow your car. Really, really nice game. So I play this one race. The speed of the video is accelerated by 4. So when you really play it, it's not that fast. This is not the regular speed. This is the first stage, the first car. And as you can see here that 20 years gone by. So the first stage is easy for me to win. And that's it for the PlayStation 1. still working after 20 years, and I think I will try more game in the future. Thank you for watching.